We still got this to take off, so we just pull off the piston. Then we pop off our spark plug. We got to get the spark plug off. We'll be right back. So we got the spark plug out. Next is using a size 13 wrench to get the cylinder head off. We got the head off right here. As you can see, we got the cylinder off in one piece. There we go. So I got that piston off of this. We can bring it into focus here. So I got that piston off of this. Next, we're gonna grab the other piston right there. We are back. I now have the piston from that engine on this engine. And why did I do that? Well, because the cylinder bores are slightly two different sizes. This is the old piston, and look, it won't actually go in there with the rings. So this bore is slightly bigger. Sprocket on this side. All that leaves is the magneto, which we're gonna take from that